Hello and welcome to another Bloom Masters video. In today's video we're going to be talking all about marigolds. Remember, you can always go to our website at bloommasters.com to get other great information on flowers and everything we do here at Bloom Masters, and also check out our YouTube channel to see other videos we have. So marigolds. Marigolds are originally from North and South America, although through cultivation you can find them everywhere in the world today. Marigolds, like most flowers, started off on the table. They were used for food and herbs. The most common varieties of marigolds are either French marigolds or African marigolds. Today, we don't have any of the African marigolds with us, just the French variety. It's fall, and that's why. Here in the southeast, African marigolds are the ones that have the big pom-pom style blooms on them. Those marigolds here in the southeast in the fall, when we're having lots of rain in September and October, create a big place for all that water to sit in the bloom. We've noticed through the years that you normally end up having problems with those style of marigolds in September and October here in the southeast, so we cut those out of our line. We grow them in the spring, but in the fall we only have the French style. Now, these were called French and African marigolds not because of where they originated, but where these cultivars were actually formed. So the French ones in France, the African ones in different parts of Africa, that's how we got the name French marigold and African marigold. Now, as far as food, marigolds were used as a medicinal tea in Mexico. In South America, they are boiled down and ground up and mixed in with a potato dish that they use down there. Marigold oil has become a very big ingredient in perfume. So a lot of times you will see marigold oil blended into perfumes as well. So besides your herbs and besides your perfumes and besides your potato dishes, marigolds are also used for something that you guys might know of if you saw the movie Coco, Day of the Dead. The marigolds are kind of the official flower of Day of the Dead, and if you watch Coco or around the beginning of November, you might see some grave sites with marigolds around them, and that is to celebrate the holiday of Day of the Dead. So now let's talk about marigolds in your landscape. Here in the southeast, we use these for spring and fall. They're a beautiful flower with bright yellows, oranges, and reds and bicolors. The main thing you must know about marigolds is some have to be deadheaded. There are a couple of varieties like this one here. This is the Durango series. It is not necessary to deadhead it, but the plant will benefit from being deadheaded. To deadhead a marigold, you don't need to use a pair of cutters like you've seen us do on others. Look up our video on deadheading to get more details, but for marigolds, all you need to do is come in with your hand and you can just pop the old blooms right off real easily, and then discard of those and you're good. The next marigold down we have here, the other type of French marigold, this is the Janie series. You also have Little Hero and Spry and some other series like that. We really like the Janie series here at Bloom Masters. Lots of bloom power. I brought this older plant up here so you could see. Same thing with deadheading. You're just gonna come in and just pop the old blooms off. You don't need to use a pair of scissors or snips. You just pop off all the old blooms. Unfortunately, with this type of marigold, you have to deadhead it every 4 weeks, or you're not going to get more than about 6 to 8 weeks life in the landscape out of it. So that's the big difference between these two marigolds. One, you've got to deadhead. The other one, you don't necessarily have to. And then in the spring, and we'll have another video in spring, and we'll talk all about the African marigolds so you can get a good idea about what they're all about too. If you have any other questions or concerns, please let us know, and always visit our website at bloommasters.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.